Hello, Harris here. With this video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Indeed app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go to the Play Store, search bar, Indeed, and check if you have the update. If you have the newest version of the app updated. If you don't have, maybe you just need to update the app. But after update, if you have still some issues, I'm gonna show you 2 more ways how to fix it. So first way, go up to the settings, go to the apps, go up to the see all, go up here, find your Indeed job, permissions, and all not allowed, just allow, like this. Allow, and all of them, all rest. Go back here, mobile data and Wi-Fi, unrestricted data usage. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues with the app, but you still got some. I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is go back to the Play Store, go to the uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be cool with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.